Okay, so we're gonna show basic functions for receiving and sending information through dispatch on your tablet. So after you log in through your e-log, you're trying to get a dispatch, and we say the dispatchers tell you, hey, I'm gonna send it to your tablet. You're gonna go here to this little cloud with the two arrows going down and up, saying dispatch. You're gonna click that button. You're gonna get this warning. You will always press yes, I agree, or else it won't work. So you're gonna press yes, I agree. And right here, you're going to put company name, PGTP, which is our SCAT code. You're going to put your driver number, which in this case, I'm going to use driver 326. Okay. You're going to put, for password, it's going to be your driver number, 326. The state in which you got your license issued. So it's going to be California, CA. And then the first two digits of your license plate, of your license, no, your driver's license. So it's going to be A4 for this driver. And you're going to press login. When you press login, you're going to have a variety of different dispatches here. The newest one will always have this little tab, this little ribbon down here that says new. Okay, so when we tell you, hey, check your tablet, it's going to usually be the one that says new. If not, you could tell here because it'll say pick up from, and it'll have the terminal or where you'll be picking up this box from. And it also says take to, and it'll also say where you're going to be delivering to. So pick up from MERS terminals, take to lumber liquidators. This is a past dispatch that we already did. So this is, so never mind that for now. So you're gonna click on that one, which will be this one. So you're just gonna click on the big block in the big box. You click there, and it takes you into the order. The first thing you're gonna do is you see this arrow with the line under it. That's letting me know that you accept the load. That is the first thing. That is the first thing you're gonna do. Is you're gonna press the arrow with the line under it. So that's the first thing you do when you get to the screen. It's gonna update the order, which is letting me know, hey, I got the information. Okay, so you will see the bill of lading, which will be here, in which the last four of the bill of lading will be your PIN number, and if you need an appointment number, it will also be here, or it will be under notes. You'll see right here under notes, it will say appointment number or whatever the case may be. Other, you could go to chassis. It'll say the size of the chassis there, which is a 40. Or if you want to know something else, it would be 40 right here, which says the size right there. So right here's bill of lading. Remember, the last four would be the PIN number for the terminal. So when you're trying to see your dispatch, it says stop. Right here on the bottom, it'll have two legs, or depending on your order, it's going to say stop. It's going to say show one. It says stop at MERS terminals or APM terminals. You need to click on that right here where it says show one, and it's going to open up this screen. Once you're here, it's going to give you. Well, it doesn't have a container number. It's going to show you the container number here. So I'm just going to make a random container number. I apologize for that. Okay. It's going to have the container number there like that, usually. Okay. So the container number will be here. That's where the container number will be. And then earlier, like I said, the PIN number will be under bill of lading. And once you arrive at MERS terminals, you're going to press arrive stop. That's letting us know, say, hey, I already arrived at MERS. So you're going to click on right there where it says arrive stop. It's going to put the date and time. And then you're going to press that arrow with the line under it. The arrow with the line under it's updating the order. It's going to let me know, hey, I have arrived to MERS terminals. That's why you press the arrive button down here, down there. So you're going to press this button up here, and it's going to update the order. Okay, so you're going to be at MERS for, let's just say, an hour and a half, whatever the case may be. And now you got your container number. You already got your chassis, you got the container, and now you're ready to leave MERS. So when you leave MERS, you're going to click on that leg again. And you're going to go depart, because you are departing from MERS terminals. You are departing from MERS terminals, so now you're letting me know, hey, I'm leaving MERS. So when you arrive, you press arrive to MERS, and when you depart, you press depart. It's very simple. So you're going to press depart stop, okay, and then you're going to update the order again. Okay, you're going to update the order again. But right here, okay. Yeah, that's weird. Oh, it didn't require it.
Chassis.
Yeah. anyways, so when you before you press the update, you see right here where it says chassis number. There's gonna be times where you press that button, the update button, and it's not gonna do anything because you haven't inputted your chassis. I don't know why I did it right now, but you're gonna, before you press the update number, you're gonna press right here where it says chassis, and you're gonna input your chassis number. So it's gonna look like this, kinda. Okay, and you're gonna put your chassis number there, whatever the chassis number may be. Okay, so you have arrived to MERS, and that you have left MERS. So now you're gonna be going to your second leg, which is lumber liquidators. So you see how the first leg says done? Because you already arrived and departed from MERS. That's why it says done. So you take off, and you take off to lumbers, and when you arrive to lumbers, you're gonna do the same thing you did earlier. You're gonna open up that leg, okay, and you're gonna arrive to lumbers, right? So once you arrive to lumbers, you're gonna let me know, hey, I have arrived at lumbers. You're gonna press arrive stop, and you're gonna send me the information again. Okay, so you do whatever you got to do. You get your empty, you grab an empty from lumbers, and yada yada yada. But in order to close this leg, you got to let me know, hey, I left lumbers. I am leaving lumbers. So I have arrived to lumbers. You press arrive, and you send me the information. You're leaving lumbers, so now you got to let me know that you're departing from lumbers. You press depart stop from lumbers, and you send me the information again. But you see how it says required, at least 3 characters. Usually right here there'll be a container number, so you won't really deal with this too much. But earlier, like I messed up the order, so that's why it's not coming up. You're going to press that. You're going to put your chassis number, APMZ, yada, 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 yada. And then you're going to send me the information. Okay, so now it's updating. So in this order, you did a total of 5 updates, sorry. You first got the order, you sent me the information saying, hey, I received the information. You sent me when I have arrived to MERS, when I have departed from MERS, okay? And then on the second leg, you sent me, hey, I have arrived at lumbers, and I departed from lumbers. So now you did a total of 5 updates just for this leg. Whenever you have a question, you can go back to your dispatch screen where it shows the list of dispatches you already have. And you press this little message icon, this one right here. When you press that little message icon, it gives you this like messaging chat board. So you press right here where it says type here, and you send me whatever your question is. Let's say hypothetically you need an appointment. You could text me need appointment, and you press send. Okay, it's gonna send me a message, and then within a minute or so, I'll be able to respond to you with either the appointment number or it's exempt or whatever the case may be. So whenever you need to communicate with dispatch, you could just send us information via text messages through this little message icon from up here.